Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk regarding HPV screening using self-sampling techniques and how useful it was during this COVID pandemic. So one of the major challenges that we as doctors faced during this COVID pandemic was to keep up with the community screening programs. This was mainly due to all the social distancing norms that were in place during this pandemic. By delaying primary screening as well as follow-up screening of HPV, we are at risk of missing out on preventable cervical cancers. So with this in mind, we at GKNM Hospital, Coimbatore, rural area in India, we realized the importance of self-sampling techniques for HPV screening. We went ahead with primary screening as well as follow-up screening, and we used the CARE HPV self-sampling kit for the same. Our community oncology team went door to door to rural areas in Coimbatore and approached women regarding HPV screening. The technique was explained using a pictorial aid. The samples that was collected was obtained by our team for further analysis. By this method, a total of 409 women were screened. Out of this, primary screening was done for 368 and follow-up screening was done for 41 women. Out of the 368 women who underwent primary screening, 31 of them were found to be HPV positive, which was around 8%. And out of the 41 women who underwent follow-up screening, 11 of them were found to be HPV positive, which was around 26%. So with this, we have to understand the benefits of self-sampling, which were self-sampling ensured safety of healthcare worker as well as the patient by minimizing person-to-person contact. It also prevented any delay in primary screening, and it also prevented loss to follow-up of HPV positive patients. It was feasible even during this COVID pandemic. It was readily accepted by the women of our community. So I think hereafter self-sampling techniques will play a major role in HPV screening in the future. Thank you.